Hi, my name is Jessica and welcome to Lumi Stitch, where threads tell tales. Today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing two painting fairy cross stitches, small one. And guess what? Did I pay 99 cents for each one? Is it real? Are we even doing this? I thought cheap stuff is bad. Well, this is not cheap stuff. They have like either flash sale or this is more like a promotional items they have in order for the people to try their brand, because once you try it you cannot go back to that other stamped cross stitch. They also have a regular cross stitch and the threads are Egyptian cotton. So I got this too. I bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored, but they did send me a little gift. They have 482 colors of fairy brand and it's only 30 cents per skein. It's as good as DMC, guys. I'm gonna have to do a video to compare side by side so you see it. So they did send me two. So this is, they hand dye, not hand dye, they do dye their own floss, and they have this like Italian technology to dye. There is a whole booklet how they do it. There is certification. This is color fast and mercerized or mercerized. I always get confused how to pronounce it. Yeah, so this is beautiful, and let's get started on this beautiful one. This is called Books and Levander, and I already started. I ordered two of this because why not? Like, this can be used for anything, to make a small pillow or even to make it like, to sew around on some project bag or some type of small pouch like a cosmetic bag. I do have a tutorial with the how to put your cross stitch in there, so this one can be put in there as well. Let's open it. All right, so let's start with the colors, or I should say maybe canvas. The canvas is fairly small, so this is a small but very, very, very good printing. Look at that. So I ordered 16 count, and I'm gonna look how many colors that has. This is the preview. The colors are not that as bright as the preview, but their printing is very good. I will have it in my regular Flosstube. So if you actually seen this video, that means the Flosstube already have come out, and you can go ahead and watch that Flosstube and see what the colors actually look like. As I started, oh gosh, on the outer edge, and there's actually have stitches in there, so it means that your cross stitch is going to be stitched even faster. Right, let's look at the floss. As always, even on the little ones, it comes with a little bow. Now look at this floss. So this has like 29 colors. 29 colors for this tiny floss. This is not like your Joy Sunday that they reduce colors, and a lot of times they're not good about, they have polyester threads. And no, I know I'm dissing them, but Painting Fairy is my new favorite, you guys. It's not that beautiful. All right, that's all for this first one. The second one is this one. Oops. And you can see this is a lot of half stitches right here. Cookies and coffee. Let's see what it's called. It says coffee cookies. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is a tiny one. And when you have big projects, you can get those little ones and feel like you're, my nose is itching, like you're accomplishing a lot of stuff. So let's start with the canvas. I think you can actually pick your canvas 14 or 16 count, or maybe not sure. So this one is a 14 count. Of course, I'm gonna link all the products below because Painting Fairy, this is only 99 cents, and I think they also give you 5% discount. And if you register, you get 10% off for 3 days. And but they do charge $9.99 shipping. So if you don't want to get charged shipping, just order $49 and more. And there is no taxes. There is no taxes, you guys. Yeah. I mean, where do you see this kind of prices this day? The canvas is very good. It's not, see if I wrinkle it, it's high quality cotton, it's starch, but not crazy starch like those cheap ones. And it's not, sometimes when you rub it on those stamp mods against your wrist, it can almost like paper cut you. This is high quality. So this is perfect for anything, for a gift, or you want to stitch small pillow. You can even, just make it into a little desk frame frame picture on a desk. It would be pretty. And also, I'm gonna have the tutorial how you can paint the back, because if you don't like that white Ada look, you can actually paint the back. Yeah, we're gonna have a tutorial on that. I'm not sure when, but we will. So let's take a look at the actual floss. And this has like your autumn colors. So this is perfect for those regions. If you live maybe Australia, I know it's experiencing still like a colder weather because their climate is the opposite from the rest of the world. Um, it's beautiful mocha colors. Yeah, it's warm and cozy. It does have a little cute bow, and this is Egyptian cotton. All of this are Egyptian cotton. So this kit has 17 colors. For this little tiny thing, 17 colors. So you guys, that's it for this review. All the links to this kit, I will link it below. I do not get paid for this. I do it because I love good quality products, and this one is on my list. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.